guys, welcome to Marti Enlighters. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe and tap a bell icon to get the latest notification. You can share your opinions on below comment section.
Hi viewers, today I am going to discuss about the most important topic is what is the importance of time, how to invest your time in efficient way by using of time management techniques. Time plays an important role in everyone's life. Our life is an eternal. Time is free, but it is very precious. You cannot own it, but you can use it. You cannot keep it, but you can spend it. If you lost the time, you never get it back. Time is more valuable than the money. If you lost the money, you can earn more and more money. Still, time is there. But if you lost the time, you never get it back. The quotations like, time is gold. Time is not a gold. Time is a god. From the time of Mahabharata, the significance of importance of time is undoubtful task. Then it is realized that it is an helpover. Generally, we listen to the words like, still time is there. Postponing things. Maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe tomorrow, maybe next. You know, the work has to be done it by yourself only. Still, you are postponing. Still, you are postponing. Your life is also be postponed if it is possible. But it is not possible. Everything you cannot be postponed. Can you postpone your examination? Can you postpone your death? If Yamadharmaraju comes to you, Sir, Swamiji, 2 days I will come. 2 days I will come. I want to see to my family. So still my problems, I have to resolve my problems. Can you do things? That things can it be work out in your real life? That cannot be work out in real life. You know, but we are all habituated to postponing the things. What you do today, that is your future, not the tomorrow. Create a schedule your day with efficient planning. A planning is a predetermined course of action. What it is to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, and by whom it should be done. A planning is a bridge gap between where we are in today and where we want to become in future. A planning is a visualized imagination, thinking in advance. To make a specific planning, we need a target. The target may be goal, or in organization it may be objectives. The goal may be short-term goal and long-term goal. It doesn't matter. If you make the plan, that should be reached. Make a plan with proper management. Management is the art of getting things to be done in a simple manner. In organization level, management is managing the people, managing the organization to reach the targets to be done. It's called management. Management may be top level management, maybe middle level management, maybe low level management. In top level management, organization is a whole. Middle level management, departmental heads, departmental planning. In low level management, day-to-day planning. Everyone need a planning to reach the destination. The main key factor of time management, spending of time is not important. Investing of time is most important. How much time you used in a productive way, it is most important. Whether it may be 10 minutes, whether it may be 1 hour, whether it may be 5 hours. If you use the time in a productive way, 5 minutes is equal to 5 hours if you use it in an efficient way. When you ask some people, what you are doing? I am very busy. Yourself realize what I am busy about. You may be busy. That is maybe productive or unproductive. That doesn't matter. You are busy. Prioritize your task with effective time management. Prepare 2 lists. To-do list and not to-do list. To-do list means the things which you want to do in a day, that list you prepare it one side. In second side, prepare list the things which you don't want to do in a list. that list you prepared it. When you go to this list make you don't come this side, go that side only. At least in this way also your brain will be confident and not to go that side. For everything we cannot create a time. If you want time, you should make it. If you love the life, then maintain time management. These days our youngsters are fully addicted to misuse of technology. We have lots of electronic gadgets. We have lots of bundle of information. If you use it in a productive way, it will save you, it will reach your destination. If you are not utilize it in a right way, it will destroy you. Even 2-3 years by also they are trying to play with electronic gadgets. That is our generation. At least the day onwards, control yourself. Don't be panic. Don't be disappointed. Small things, failure of examination, failure of in love, failure of your not getting jobs. This is only small things. Whatever your failures, that is the stepping stones for your success. Whatever is the success will come to your life, failure will comes to your life. That all things you are only the responsible. You are not planned your life in an efficient way. That reaction is now. When reaction shows in your life, that day you cannot do anything. At least the day onwards, plan your schedule with an efficient way. Time management is not a managing of your things. Time management is a life management. Please, at least the day onwards, maintain your schedule in efficient way. You can get the numerous results. Thank you all for watching my video.